Hello friends, Pastor Paul here, standing outside at the Bridge Bible Fellowship at the site of where we hope to be transforming this property. And so I can't tell you how excited I am about the future here at the Bridge Bible Fellowship, the ministries that will take place, and the privilege we have to be good stewards of this property. I want to give you some updates about every month or so about what's happening, and one thing I want to let you know is the elders and a few other people, just a handful of others, have donated over $1 million already. So we're over 1/10 of the way to our goal. Isn't that exciting? And I want to tell you, so many people are telling me as they're praying about it, the creative things they're thinking of doing. Some are doing required minimum distributions from their retirement plans. Others are wanting to offer stock or things. One person is considering giving a very valuable sports trading card. There's so many things, tax refunds, people continuing to work when they could retire. So many ways that people are wanting to sacrifice. So this place could be used in even greater ways in the future for the glory of God. So I want to encourage you, keep praying, consider how you're going to participate in this, and then remember these dates. Coming up on Sunday, April 26th, that's going to be Commitment Sunday, where everyone will be asked to turn in the cards of what your pledge is over the next 5 years. And then the following Sunday will be Celebration Sunday, when we'll reveal how much has been pledged toward this project. So would you please just keep praying, keep celebrating, keep trusting God. This is a goal that's going to require God to move in mighty ways. So please pray and let's celebrate together what God's going to accomplish. God bless you, my friends. I love you so very much.